Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress like Masha and the bear and dress to impress for free without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this bang and then we're going to go to this area and wear this item and you can color it pink. Okay, you can use this color code and you're going to wear this item as well and change the toggle to skirt only, and we're going to color it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shirt and color it white. Okay, and the next one we're going to wear this suit, change the toggle to 3 and color it pink. Okay, and then I'm going to change the material to matte. All right, and let's wear this shoe. We're going to color it yellow and pink. For the first selection you can color it yellow, and for the next selection color it pink. Okay, like this. Okay, and the last one we're going to go to the dressing room and we're going to grab bear doll. Go to the currency item and make sure you have both this bear, and I'm going to toggle it 4. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to dress like Masha and the bear and dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.